How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Mezcal Buzz with a new video every Mezcal Monday. And today I have a mezcocktail recipe. All right, I have a bottle of Mezcal Casamigos. It's not one that I'm usually drinking or sipping so much, so I thought I'd pull it off the shelf and put together a little cocktail today. It's a nice day for a cocktail. And I'm gonna go with a very simple and classic recipe for a margarita, and we're gonna be making a Mezcal Margarita, and it has some very simple ingredients. So to get started, I have my glass chilling here. I already salted the rim with Gran Mitla sal de chapulin, one of my favorites. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting the ingredients in our shaker. Let me get some ice in our shaker. Have you had Casamigos Mezcal? Are you a fan? This is a very simple recipe. So we're gonna start with our mezcal. This is a mezcal joven, an espadín. The recipe asks for 2 ounces of mezcal. 1 and 2. 1 ounce of your orange liquor. I have Controy here. And about 3/4 ounce of lime juice. I have some fresh squeezed lime juice here, ready to go. And for a little sweetener, I'm gonna use some agave syrup, 1 bar spoon of agave syrup here. All right, there we go. Let's give it a good shake. All right, and we could just strain it over our chilled glass here, and we have a classic margarita, a great one to serve up. Garnish it here with a lime wheel, and you got yourself a Mezcal Margarita. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like or subscribe to the video channel so you can be updated with all the new videos every Mezcal Monday. And leave your comments below. Have you had this margarita? Do you like Mezcal Casamigos? And as always, I'll catch you guys next time.